Hello everyone, Agile Collector here with the June 2023 Rookie Explosion Box high-end version by Filmington. So let's check this out. Looks like I got a little shipment damage going on there. Let's see if we got some fun in here. See what the lineup looks like. Pack of peanuts. Okay. 2017 Bowman, 2019 Topps Update Jumbo, 22 Bowman First Edition, 23 Bowman Sapphire. I'm really looking forward to that. 23 Two Top Series 1 Silver Pack. Okay, sweet. And maybe a little extra. Okay, Bowman update. Alright, we'll move some around here. So I'll do the Sapphire last, Silver Pack, First Edition. Yeah, I'll do it like this. Alright, let's see what we can get. Alright, so 2017 Bowman, we're looking for, what is this? Acuna, Jimenez, Alcantara. Alright, so we're starting off with a Renfroe rookie, Musgrove rookie. Alright. Hader, Dunning. Alright, Hoskins. Alright, then we got the 2019, so Vladdy Jr. Rookie debut of okay, so we got like some sort of relic or something in it, so we got at least a hit of some sort. Okay, gonna be some flipping and flopping. Key boom. Cunha Gold Cup. Okay, there's the Tatis rookie debut. So that's a pretty good card there. Alright, Vladdy Jr. Home run derby. That does have the rookie logo on it. Set that on the side. Okay, Rogers, Biggio, Kelly rookie, not bad. Okay, there's a polar bear rookie debut. So I'd say so far this one jumbo back has been relatively successful. Okay. Alright, we're getting to the fun stuff here. Alright, so Joey Votto. Insert there. Okay, so we spoiled the Aaron Johnson there. So we got a rainbow foil rookie there. Martin. And we got the 150 years manufactured medallion. It's pretty hefty. It's pretty hefty. Needs a hit. Manufactured hit, but the hit still. Okay. Go on to this. Which 22. All right. Shift it to the back. Did I miss somebody? Okay. All right. Okay. Nothing popped out at me on that one. Silver pack. KB. Got off center. Chipper. Devers. And Julio. And a big boy right there. Mervis is my dude, so I'm just going looking for this Mervis. Alright, feel like we got something. Hold on. Alright, so Ozuna, and of course, you know, sleeve all these up. Rodriguez, and we did. Look at that. We got the auto. That's pretty sweet. One Sapphire pack. Got the auto. Awesome. Do a quick recap here. Of the notables. So for our 2019 update, we got the Tatis debut. We got Alonso debut. Got Vladdy Jr. Home Run Derby. Manufactured medallion. Sapphire. We got a couple of firsts. And an auto. Look at that. Crazy. One pack. One auto. It only could be that simple, right? Just shot in the dark. You know, without having to overpay for a pack that you know has an auto in it. Well, anyways, let me know what you think. June edition. High-end Rookie Explosion by Flemington. Thanks for watching. Agile Collector out.